If the sum of the 8th and 9th terms of an arithmetic progression is 72 and the 4th term is -6, find the 20th term. So the question requires us to find the 20th term of a sequence that when you add the 8th term and the 9th term of that sequence, you have 72. But then the 4th term of that sequence is 6. So we're going to be finding first the first term and the common difference so that we're able to solve the 20th term of this sequence, because the 20th term is equal to A plus 19D. All right, we need the first term and the common difference. And to find the first term and the common difference, let's solve a simultaneous equation. For 8th term and 9th term, that is T8 plus T9, because we are told that the sum of the both of them will give 72. Is equal to 72. Now from here, you take note that T8 is A plus 7D. T9 is A plus 8D, which is equal to 72. Now from here, you add A plus A gives us 2A. 7D plus 8D, that's 15D, equal to 72. Now keep this as equation 1. The fourth term is -6. We write T4 is equal to -6. And T4 is A plus 3D, which is equal to -6. So this becomes equation 2. We have two equations that we can solve simultaneously. So I'll bring that down. 2A plus 15D equals 72. And then we'll have A plus 3D equals -6. Next, let's make this guy equal coefficient with this A here so that we can eliminate. Find D before we now find A. So we simply multiply this one by 2 so that the coefficient becomes equal here. So if I multiply A by 2, I have 2A. Multiply 3D by 2, I have 6D. Multiply 6 by 2, I have 12. I have to do it on the same line. So let's subtract using the elimination method. 2A minus 2A is 0. 15D minus 6D gives us, that gives us 9D. And then 72 minus 12. 72 minus 12 will give us 84. Next, we divide 84 by 9. Now we'll cancel out 9. D, the common difference becomes 9.3. I'll be using 1 decimal place or 2 decimal places, 9.33. So having gotten the difference, common difference as 9.33, let's substitute it for D in equation 2 so that we can get the value of A. So that becomes A plus 3 times 9.33 equal to -6. Then let's multiply. I'll be having A plus 3 times 9.33 gives us 28 equal to -6. So we collect like terms. This becomes A equal to 28 goes over to the right hand side, -6 minus 28. That will give us the first term as -34. -34. Adding -6 and -28. So we've got the first term as -34, and we've got the common difference as 9.33. So let's get the 20th term. The 20th term, T20, becomes the first term, which is -34 plus 19 times 9.33. Then T20 becomes -34 plus multiply 19 and 9.33. That would be 177.27. Now, -34 plus 177.27. 177 minus 34 is 331. So that is 133.27. That's the 20th term. All right.